You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. I don't know, say I love me, say. You know what I mean? And guess what now, as usual, you don't know, so me always shoot movies, put them together, 1 and 2, for people can find it at the same spot. You know what I mean? Yeah. But we are continuing to work here. Don't feel like we stop. You hear me say? Yeah. So guess what now? This one is called X March the spot. You know what I mean? Episode 1 and 2. Just so you can find here and sometimes I say, boy, I say, yo, public, we see episode 2, but we can't find episode 1. So guess what? In one place, this is X marks the spot. Bless up myself and thanks again to everybody who has supported Public Report movement, the whole team. You understand me? I say, oh no, the team now, I can't name because I don't feel nobody. You understand me? I say, so yeah, not doing anything. You know, like, share, subscribe, push it there so if you watch it already. Watch it again now. Or you can just, share it out there so somebody who don't see it yet can see it, right? As me say, you can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Big up on yourself. Watch it. Ow!
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
One ball dip of the advice to what's you might say. Round us on the office.
You're not gonna come in your place now and even remember how you look. I pray.
Yeah,
right now. You make piece of food and I plan to say, yo, we have go on the bar, one bad bar. Where you pray? Where you pray?
Oh, you know, Mr. Man, that I like the bar thing, I'm not too like the bar thing, you know. Because I know, when I got bar, I got things going on. You know what I mean?
Okay.
When I got bar, you know, I left me woman out yard, you know. Man might sneak in and not too like them thing there. It's up a bar and thing, you know.
Pray, my friend.
I know some pray. I want me a pray. I want one.
So where you are pray? Where you are?
Yes, me got bar with her, yes, but me I bring my woman with me, you know.
Bad man, you can't get sunglasses.
Brother, me know you can't sunglasses, but me I bring my...
sunglasses, my brother.
So tell me now, when you two we got bar, eh? Me know you have your woman, you know. Have your yard, and me have my woman in my yard.
But that's why we go out on a broad night, bro. We want all the vibes. We are go just normal and meds different.
So when time me go have a vibes and I look to Catty, man, the woman feature with Catty.
You know, see, you're not pre like your girl loyal, though. Your woman loyal.
She loyal, yes, but
so
they can't
mix that.
Brother, you can't trust these man, brother. You know when this man, brother, girl, and look girl, and use pigeon powder and sleeping powder. You never heard about that?
But I don't look them then. Them want
to
kidnap them.
Yes, and that me try to show you.
I know that me a pre right now. But you say you a pre bar or what? Car. 2 months a girl there road, my friend. One woman I go make it in a yard.
But I love my woman to my heart, you know.
Yeah, me never tell her say me no love my woman.
Yo, I'm my woman, you know. Put me on foot, you know. Cause remember when time never have nothing hold on and laugh at me. Now me have one car, hold on and run come on my foot. Me tell you this switch out one at a time to you.
Yes, man, who switch out? No,
Hey,
man, say some man.
I
Don't say some man. No, from me, from member say when nothing on go on, and me ain't this. So you tell me about
I say, remember when you diss me for one, for Shireen. Remember, for Shireen also. You diss me for Shireen already.
Tell you say no one, you bad man. I ain't gonna send me this you.
I know, look, everybody around come on my foot, show me about one car. Brother, I'm married. I'm a married man, look at my finger and I see me ring them, bro. Eh?
So you try
one engage, one day when I engage, one I married ring.
So you try to tell me, say, you're not forward
Eh?
If you're not forward,
listen, yes, when I go in for the pastor, and I make a vow, you can't break that vow.
Wow, one thing with you now, you see when time here, all I reason come like say, for your mind the east, west, north and south. Tier one place, man.
So no one
place. Talk about bar, you tell me about pastor. Yeah, I'm telling you, you are something, that's how I can't reason.
Where you say go on a bar? Where you say?
So we can go with a one drink and normal, but a bros night out, my friend.
Brother, we know bros night, brother. Come, brother, if you like me, I cheat already, brother. I'm gonna start go a bar. Come me I go a bar, I'm not tell her, me can't say me I go a bar, come like a cheating, bro.
So I say you see it.
Man, you.
You cheat if you want cheating, my friend. Nobody never say you go cheating.
So what you gonna do?
All the vibes, drink, rum and all the vibes are normal.
Before say I tell me say open cat there over there.
You say I want to tell us you can't get son go and see it, bro.
Say me can't carry son go and see you, that's supposed to
Alright,
do. That means if you go and see girl, that means you look girl. Brother, you go on a bar.
Listen up. Normal pre man, me go a bar.
You go on a bar.
Me go a bar. Normal pre. Watch out.
Brother, you go on a bar. Cause watch out now, let me tell you something now. Eh? You advise me, a bad company, you know. You want me to go and come a bar with you, you know. I want to see two look brown, you know, who look money down out of my pocket. Listen, my woman have to work hard. And she pregnant too.
So me ask you a question.
So me have work for things.
You know what's
for my brain and work for things to deal with.
Watch out, one thing me come here and ask you, and look with the right now pack up my brain with men.
So me have to tell you what me I go through, brother.
Then me not say me not see what you go through, my friend. Just one time me say make me you go with
brother,
vibes.
Brother, go on your bar.
You know say sometime no, I see her.
Me say go on your bar.
Big up yourself, see me, my brother.
Yeah man, go on your bar. Yeah man, go on your bar.
Yeah, I'm at see your style. Watch out now.
Go on your bar.
What's coming if not? You know about?
Yeah man, go on your bar. I'm going to bar with you. Eh? Look, you know see me I get all now boy, me I like great. You want look style and done up man. A big man I know enough. So what I do, they made the big friend contract.
Who that? Bon Beach.
Yes man, him say man. I tell me say I two goat and two dogs I said run and yard and hungry till him belly touch him back, you know what I mean?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So I'm differently.
You know what I run and sit down by myself and doing their thing and I say, Judge, I'm glad to say you give me a chance in your life. Cause I know say enough man out there you know I try for you. You understand? Even when I not see enough man still I try. You know? God no. I tell you, since 3 months now in a relationship, you know I feel overjoyed, you know. Overjoyed.
I can see you cannot stop smile, but anyways, I really appreciate that still.
She's
right.
right.
Enough man out and I appreciate a woman and then I tell a woman good things and good stuff. So I really appreciate it, you know. Just want you to know that.
As I tell my local friend boy too, you know. I tell him so we soon get married and thing, you know. I'm saying happy for that man because you remember when we did that young girl, I run up and down, you know, like a wild goat. Like when I go in one goat 9 pen, as I let him go in there, he just start run up and down. Yes, yes man.
Hope you change.
Of course you will change, you know. So me that you will change me, you know. You will change me, never really take this serious, take it serious.
Relationship still a go on, so.
I mean man.
You shall see.
We shall gather.
Anyways, a good defender.
You know, alright. That's something to tell you.
That's
something to tell you, but I don't really want to tell you yet. Just tell you no, I'll tell you yet. No, I'm not tell you yet. Can't tell you yet. Can't tell it.
Okay, well,
Can't tell it.
I have a best friend when I want you to meet still.
Best friend?
Yeah.
What kind of best friend you tell me about?
One of my best friend, yeah, listen, I have one best friend where I may and her go through thick and thin. You understand?
We've been too trust the best.
So
best
I want her, I want you to meet her. That me I talk about. So when we go meet her later, you can tell me what you have to tell me.
Everything combined together, man. The probably
Yeah.
at that time it's so more better, you know. You know it be, you know me too like a best thing. I too trust it, you know. Best
oh
friend,
man, my best friend good man. She alright. She a good girl. She always encourage me.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Show your friend, tell her who you are, you know. Alright.
Yeah, go see I want nice.
You
girl.
laugh? You feel like a joke?
Me know they're saying that, but I'm not like that. You go see. I want nice girl, you know. I want nice girl.
Mm-hmm.
You go like her too. Yeah.
Since 3 months now, you know, no go on a vacation, you know, go on a vacation, you know.
Yeah, we soon go on it.
You know, just time so I go and relax and I go and meds, because I have enough plans. You know.
We soon go
You
on
want to
it.
build one upstairs pan the house and put one pool on top of it.
Yes.
You know. So you look at money we have in the bank, you have to take it out.
You know, go check out it. We go work and put money.
But remember saying, you know, I got some money in the bank and the money in the bank. You look a bit more fear. I know fear enough than that.
Yeah, but we are going to work together.
Yeah, we
so we are going, you look a bit what you have. Me have money, you don't have to watch my money.
Me not
we are
watch
going
your
work,
money.
so you have the money now.
Yeah, the
Me not have to touch me my money in my bank. You can go work it
But
and
you-
can come
but
and put part where you
but
have
you-
and me put part of me. Me not go just done half for me.
But look,
And we are build a life
you
together.
know, every minute today I say, you know, you check how much time we got, machine got hard money. If you use that look money and buy black and steel and
No,
put it on top
but
of
the
this.
money where we use, that money where we use when we buy machine go hard. And I like so we take here and do nothing foolish.
Who you? I must say I love food, you know. You! I must say regular when you got my shop be 50,000 all, you know, and 30,000, you know, and dump on grocery, you know.
Yeah,
Look in our
but
fridge.
groceries good. Groceries.
Right now, space in our
groceries
fridge
are
right now.
good.
No space in our
Wait,
fridge.
so alright, you rather we go sit down at a restaurant every night and eat out, you look at 50,000? No.
No, you can't
We
do that.
buy groceries. Remember say you're a man that love food and so we buy groceries. You want shrimp, you want oxtail, you want
No, you know, I think I'm too fussy oxtail and shrimp and lobster and pasta. You know that?
Except me, I don't know.
I'm a cigarette. You
Okay.
think you think already?
No, I'm picking a cigarette.
One
I'm
cigarette.
not smoke. Me hide it.
We I miss it for girl.
I
You
hide
come like
it.
a torment, you know, you can't love me more than meds. You know, drink, you know, smoke. Love me, look at smoking, you know, I'm smoking, I'm comfort. Sure.
Come on, man. You can't stop smoking once.
Eh? When
You would hide the cigarette under the bed.
no, me have phone if you fling your violet or something.
Alright, you see right now more. You can look at some for me.
What you want to do, my precious?
Okay, some more some chocolate chili and Frank's nuggets and the shrimp on the side and
Go on. So you do what you say?
Bobby,
How you do
that's
what
so
you
simple question. What kind of relationship you in? Because you not give me no attention, you not treat me like me a woman. So what kind of relationship we really and truly in? Yeah, walk past it so. I look at things and me come and say come turn up on. Is it a pass me gate and go and buy your
You
business?
see,
You know?
actually, me I think about something, man. Me did the far. I see you now, I feel like better, you know, for real. So I pray. You ask me what kind of relationship me in, you know what kind of relationship me in, alright?
Obviously we know in no relationship because you not move like we know a relationship.
I know say me nah move like me in a relationship, but remember say you know, me have to do road and me have to go to the road and make money, you know. I know a thing set. Me nah money me torment, you know. You see me?
I know that.
Me not like when you move, man. You make me feel guilty, like say me I do something on road where
I
you
don't
know.
know if you do something, but wait to the back. I don't know if I do anything about it. But the thing is, we in our relationship and I feel like me single.
You know, say
That's
that me
how
not like
I
with you know.
feel.
Why you meds like this? Why you meds like this?
You look at me, I don't know when I want to get me. That's the only time. So I can't look around so.
No, until me think go on next bike forward.
You look at me, I don't know want to get you know. You know, come in my yard like, you know, come and lay down and rub me here, rub my belly. Or, you know, play with me and then look something there.
know, say
You
right.
come at night like say me a
No.
night owl and then you go back early in the morning and me not see it in night again. In the day, when we the on road, you not hold me hand, you not, me don't know.
Watch out,
Like
you know,
something
say,
right.
listen, you know, say in the
You to the
street.
bike.
You know, say right now I try to push out most cause I'm not too used to something when you love and then something I'm trying. I try show you say
You're not trying to show me nothing. You're not trying. Someone say you're trying.
alright,
You're
what you
not
want
doing
me
nothing
do?
at all.
What you want me
Effortless.
do? What you want me do? What you want me do? Me
Yeah, alright, you come here son.
mm-hmm.
Not even want to look a hug. Me nobody want it. Me nobody want it. Keep your hug to yourself. Can you come and say you not even want to look a hug, you not even say baby. None of them look sweet words
foolish.
there. You come and say you just a chat and a go on with yourself. Look at me and
This we can't take with them. And I say me no want hug you, and I say me no want show you certain feelings or show you certain prayer, but what you know? Remember say you know, me a try.
yeah, try.
I mean I try hardest me can to
And
show
me I
you.
tell you, say, you know you're trying to get a F. Failure.
You know, like
You
really.
Fail. You're
Really?
not trying there. Not even be. You fail. You come last. You come my back at class. For this trying, no, you're trying. You're not trying. You're not put out effort in nothing. Because if, first and foremost, if you did that try, when you come here, so you should have carried something in your hand for me.
Tell you
One
say me never, but
rose.
me never know. So me there go see
one,
you.
one ice cream, eh? If I ever want sweetie, something for spice up a relationship, no one tell you just walk and come like you're a madman. And I try to say, you're mad?
You see me a chat to myself, or you see me a
You're on your mouth a mumble or whatever, I don't know.
you like your eye them as deceive, the sun too hot for your eye them, you know, cause something either you see something or your ears or something, you know. But watch out now. Oh yeah, do look more.
Me not do nothing with you.
Alright.
What happened? What happened with you? Yeah, come look for me tomorrow, no bother come.
Mommy.
No bother come. I think you don't say me I carry power and date look more.
But you know make me finish talk when me there go talk say, but you see it at that me not understand or that.
You stop talking when me start talking. Alright,
bro, you talk me from talk. Me ask you where you do look more.
Me
Look
say,
now, where you do look more.
I'm say me not do nothing look more.
And then me there go say, me I can link you so that we can go later.
Yeah, change up my palm. I feel like you're smart.
Where you ask me I
You're
change up?
smarter
Me
than
not
me.
change up my mode
Try
for
know
you.
that.
Me not change up mode for you. Me not change up mode for you. Cause you know say if me leave you, no, I just slow that argument. Bro.
I know you're later. No, I know you want help. No, you ask about effort. Yeah? Yeah, want to take a thanks for something.
you too
No,
fast
no,
now.
no, true. You say daddy no there, me have to ask if he
So,
going
and me
there.
and my sister alone live there.
Oh,
Me tell her that already.
no remember. Me never remember. No remember.
You better yes, so.
Me remember.
But he probably soon come back. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Mm.
You know, tell you when he might come in. So I will have to keep this part and go because my sister chat too much, you know.
Then
And I can't really take.
then me no feel like that's the plan for a longer time still.
Yeah, but still I feel watching him and see me because he's sneaking, you know. I was sneaky little brat that, you know.
Normal pre-man, me know if you do forget her if you come from my side.
What that's supposed to mean?
No, me like just every time I forward ya, me just scare my money and say, alright, mama go buy something and forward than me. You
So
know?
I may ask her a question. How you take my sister for?
No, me never take her.
No, because you love him, Belly, you want to take money, catch him.
No, me not take money catch her. You know say that me no like with you no say so.
And my sister and me have to pick up for my sister, you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
but me no mean no farmer disrespect her no.
No, that's
farmer
a
way, my
total
friend.
disrespect. You're gone wrong there, so you should even say it.
God. Alright. My apology.
Much better.
My apology.
Anyways, that's where you're going. I just link your colleague.
No, say you say me there come look for do in a real life.
So you could carry some food. Because you think of my sister. Belly, you know, you don't think of me. I said, so if me did a breed for you, don't think of me and my child.
You
I'm
mean
glad
that
me not breed me.
nobody the foolishness. You know, say always I come with some kind of something we always twist things though. Believe I just that no I hear problem. People I'm praying I get the mad touch with your father. Let I know say not you will travel. You know see your father remember saying getting them paper. So
Hey.
I chop
Man,
me.
no, you talk about me fat.
Me say I chop me. Don't get too upset. You know. You can't run joke.
No, me no run certain joke. Are you supposed to know that? Neither my sister nor my father, not even my mother, even though I don't really know him. Don't play with me. What you mean me get that touch on my... So why if me get that touch on my father madness?
No,
me daddy.
That's why I say nothing wrong. Me just
Are you wrong for chopping in mad people family? Let me go. Can you not take life serious now? Let me...
Yo, normal man. I am Musa. Normal no.
Me did that normal for before.
See your lips they look nice.
That's what me talk about. Come go your yard.
I say I run me. You me a laugh off of you.
Come go your yard. Come go your yard.
You know see you come me down so.
You look like I want to go get me pick up in my life. I want this.
Well, dear. What you do? Hello, miss. Say, I'm not nothing coming.
Me a boy no in nothing. The man simply come up and so call ask me if currently I'm in yard because him. Yeah, because him a come from down in a town and never done there.
So, I'm going to that one.
He go ask me a question. Is it a crime to ask someone a question? A crime? A crime? Listen to me, miss. My own business, I leave me alone. It's like I'm upsetting idea, yeah?
I want to upset you.
Leave me alone. Go on your ways.
They can't hold me. Go on, man.
Go on.
Bomba. General, you good?
Yeah, man. How are you doing, dog?
You don't know some of the thing I is, brother.
Yeah, me know about the Uncle Joe tab wrong over there.
Over there, sir.
Uh-huh.
Well, my Uncle Joe have a little business thing I go a long time. I just match up and now scoop everything good and now, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, man, so everything organized certain way. So I go, you the who have not seen a general?
I'm not see if you know.
I show man, you know the thing guy, we have to just organize up and thing, you know?
General look fresh.
At school, man. I take my time and say, you know what, a time to surface up certain way, you know?
Yeah.
So you are going now? How long for your community there?
Where that?
Don't sitting there for me base them, man. Me say chill, man, pinky there, man. Eh?
You know, say don't the active same way. About from your left, me not see mama line because you see me not to go on that side because if I never you, me never would have come on that side, you know. Running time there. I show you round them, me used to go round them, me not go back round from that, my friend.
Same.
Yeah, so
Yeah, man.
long
I
time
tell
I
you,
not see them.
brother, I say one whole part thing going, brother. Me in the hills and some people got kind of come forward and lock me up and all them sitting there. So, me up when, you know, I beat up certain way and them feel so me I'm mad and them sitting there. So, I get certified and all them things all sun and start shine from me, you know, because business and tell you, lie me I tell brother. Yeah, so me I say so, me can serve something so I want to get back to normal. More everything is as usual. So we're in the place.
Boy, you know, say in real life, though, I come out of there something a long time, so I'm not too
Long time, you know what I go on.
I'm not too know what I go on.
Oh, because I want to know what I go on, because right now I don't really want to body feel I want to violate me certain way, you know. You see me I say? Yeah. So I say I'm just back in that place now, I just want to observe smartly and thing, you know. But yeah, hopefully everything manifests the way I want it to manifest.
So, Uncle, you know, say over there? Are you and him there over there one night?
Well, Uncle and the boat, you know, Uncle now for him take a little trip. You know what I mean? So him now go really surface up until certain time. Cause you know say I hills with the pan.
Oh, you know hills so you're not planning Uncle down, you're not getting nothing?
No, nothing like where you can, you know, consume another time there. You understand what I say? I don't understand what I say, I know. If you don't understand, tell me.
I understand, man. I meds me there, I meds something, you know, yeah. Real. So you see how I do now?
Road. So we shall gather. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself. Good to see you, brother. You understand me? So you see everything stay same in my community.
No, me say me no grow on different long. Me no tell them man me just step on my side.
See up on your side, brother. I best side, see this side. See that sealer. See?
Alright, do your thing, man.
Yeah, man. So we shall gather. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Cha guy. This man really come back in our place. Half of me feel like saying they kill him already. He really come back in our place. I have to go make for my boy now I go on, you know. Yeah man, I have to go make for my boy now I go on. Yo! What am I going to do here, boy? That's my friends of the tree, though. My friends of you, that's when I want to pass and pick out the food off of the tree. And I ask question. So you see me calling little boy? Calling for what? Yeah, Musa. Just be a going down my tree. You see me calling my boy. Anyways. Between me and you know who and Pinky did there before. Pinky did tell her one him did there. Who? Your girl, Pinky.
No, my boy. Who ya? Who? I don't know who
I say between me and Rasta, but he look a bit mad. Can go to Bellevue, you know.
And what you say to me?
That the man they know.
My nice Pinky, I shot.
Let me tell you, guy, come like two, I see it come like Pinky the mad two one time, you know.
No, sir. Pinky no mad.
No, just listen to me, my youth.
My woman, no boy. Yo, we are talking about. Eh? We are talking about woman mad.
So me about to
Yo, listen to me, I say, bro, come on, relationship with brother. How you want bloody for woman?
You don't know, say the man when used to do it. A thief and gunman and everything. Cause what you know, you see, as the man pinky left, then they back my friend. So what you know?
Jesus
You know,
Christ.
you're too
So
frightened.
you
Listen
say
now,
now?
you know, you're too frightened if you go see the Rasta there in the back of your yard.
You're mad. You're mad. No boy can come in the back of me yard, brother. You're sick man. Which boy? Who can do that? Yo,
Just I
I
tell you,
4 months ago now, you know. Almost 5 months now since me and her there, you know, brother. How we are live good, you know. Right now we have much plan, you know, brother.
Listen,
With that, you're
that
content,
the
boy.
man you and I did with longer. What you know? What you in front of the courthouse in front of the judge, you know, a box on 2 police.
How we ask a mad man for 2 man?
Listen now, and say 2, me know say, 2 they know say mad. Cause I have them papers in him, dog. 2 me know, 2 they know say mad, then let him go bad man, cause what?
So me have to ask my woman now.
Why I don't know what you want to do, you know,
So me
but
have to ask my woman now, come.
today, dog, come in, you know.
What you say? Today?
Today, dog, come in, you know, and tell me say, man, to go circle back for him, girl.
Brother, me not left my girl, you know. Me can't leave my girl, brother. You don't know. Man, their prison now long lock up. I want to come back. Yeah. I don't feel, listen. I don't feel man. I'm the woman put on God man.
You know what I say, but what you know, they used to, at the bunny and climb them, my boy, they used to fight like so. So what you know? Here we talk, what you know? Come on.
Now we are talking about, you know, nonsense you tell me, no, brother. But Pinky did mad. Me never know she mad. How is a man I tell me that? Me have to ask Pinky about it. Just give it an answer. I see what.
What are you going with? How life? How things are going with you? Talk to me now. Wanna not talk? They're going good?
Sometimes we are going to night time. The only water we have to drink and just go sleep.
Yeah. For my daughter them? So I'm telling her mama.
Yeah. Which mama?
My mama still not checking for her.
Did you left here with her mother? Ask him again. Ma, no, you look like you're gone too long now. Your brain really gone. But anyways, me not talk about that. You don't talk about that for me. You're so gluttonous. I want you. All everything boy your belly.
Come on.
I want.
Come
I
on.
say young man, you say so, you know. If it's top, girl food is a must. Listen, you is a female. You're no man.
Alright, you see my son, man. Just calm down, the man. Calm down and stop going so.
I just be telling
Yeah, but that's what she stay from morning.
But you don't say you broke her body.
No, listen. Listen to me, I say. See? Yeah, but hear me, I say. Yeah, but someone broke it on the boy.
No!
Eh?
You treat she better than me.
Hear me, sister. Let's go check. Don't last hear from Pinky. You see Pinky? Talk to me. But Pinky, man, you still girl, I'm going to give you the
Backside. Then you left her so. With Pinky. I think Pinky still wants you. Pinky. Pinky love the road. You come like you lick your head. You can't tell me that. You don't know what one when him gone.
If he's something going on, no, go on, man. Tell me food. I'm joking, man. I don't like her from morning, so I go talk all them things that make it seem like it's irritated. But you know, I go organize up some stuff for you. You understand? Make sure it's not no man and sitting there. You understand? Because man kind of turn off the career and the direction you're supposed to go. You understand? So, hear me I go do. Now I go by the forward, you go check her right away. See? Hear me I say? You go check Pinky, man, and see what going on. You're
not even like Jappy back, you don't check Pinky.
No, he back here and
there. I can go and check Pinky. When you go there, we see what a strike.
Yo, you know like when I go on, everything good still. The daughter, I love her, yeah? I'm going to organize the phone. See? So we talk, alright? Yeah, man. So far, yeah?
I have something to tell you.
You know you when you bulby, bulb or something. He always a wear like one. I mean, I say peaches or brownish color hat.
One thing.
Yes. No. See, man.
What?
Yes.
I know, hold on. You know, so me see the boy here today. If me not mistake.
Yes, sir, when I yard him I come from.
Alright, me done. Thanks for today, yeah?
Aye.
So later we talk, alright?
Yeah, but you know, man can.
You know, me have 1,000 pounds. But me can't give because me don't want to walk dry because me can't go to bank and do something there. Because you walk on, everything get messed up. Because them, you know, enough things go on. Oi there.
I must see that.
She man, but go on in. See? Love me that. Come up good no man, Jesus Christ, and Mr. Father.
Yeah. Alright.
I mean, yo, enough things we go through them, but we talk. Yeah?
Alright, later.
Alright.
How that?
Where are you?
How on bills? How are you there?
What do you mean I'm there?
Me think so he dead.
Me went dead? Are you sending people to kill me? Eh?
No, me not send nobody to kill him. Me feel say he dead.
So you mean say feel so me went dead?
Oh, that I know somebody here.
You never hear say I want to hold me and say me a madman and all them something there. Lock me up. Most days me have to find a way, me have to dig and me have to say what me that motherfucker. And me have to walk in and go so. Eh? Yeah, get it to the place there. So you're going with?
No, man.
You just
Take time
here?
down there, they're huggish.
You just here?
Yeah.
Smell new for sure. Oh, boy, yo.
Yeah, but anyways,
The thing boy, you're like crazy, you know.
mm,
You start drinking Pepsi now?
um,
You don't drink Pepsi. So, you start drinking Pepsi?
You know, say, somebody feels you're dead.
Stop some dead.
Alright. 2 minutes there, see you. You know, say, things kind of change up and
Yeah, please
me
change
move
up.
on and
Move, Sean.
no, me mean like me move on from certain memories. You understand? Me mean like me move on. You understand? Just like so memories they used to be in my head with me and you. Kinda I take me little time there and move on from it. And you're there. So I that me I say. So me never know say yeah. You come, you're there, you're alive.
Alive and well, man. I tell you, so right now, I do enough things going on. I want Virgin and I say, boy, I think saying, can't trust him. Can't trust him, man, to bump and night. Man, I go tell me about my hard work. You know, like it a go in vain. I say, you can't tell me that. If it's a hard worker. You understand? Me plant up everything and certain things I set away when I say, yeah, ropes. I want to touch you. Yo, I tell you, I've ever seen most of us. You know what I mean? So everything was life.
Life is good.
What you think? You think alright?
Yeah, I think alright. Life is good, man.
Yeah, we have one shot. You know what we shot.
Yeah, me one shot.
Are you time I'm on?
No.
But there's some long. Yo, I tell you, believe me.
So I'm differently.
Come in, come sleep, mate. I stay here tonight and thing.
No, you can't stay here tonight, you know. Yeah, hear me? Because my mother moving with me, I know. She just moving with me, so you can't sleep here.
Your mother was young, she no agree. I live at your yard.
We talk back, but we talk back.
Talk the truth, man. Tell me the truth and stop.
As no, listen up.
Tell me
As
the
a
truth
man
and
to
don't
God,
make me brain shit. Yeah! Don't make me brain shit.
As a mother to daughter relationship, you know, so we have to have that bond. So she come back, you don't know her family.
Your mother and you don't agree. Yo, what you tell me, sir? You try to give me hint.
I'm not giving her no hint.
Me know when you lie to me, you know.
I am not
But
lying
I
to
look
you.
for me.
I am not lying to
So
you.
how you go then?
My mother just
Alright.
saw a movie with me.
Tell me the truth and talk the truth. The truth what God love. See? You have man in the house, sir?
No.
I believe you. Me just, me no, me just too excited also. Me no, that type of problem. Me can't hide something. Stop hiding something. No. Just too excited. But you know, say, it's been a while. Not like that. I relax myself in my own place. You remember how much money we give for building the place, sir? Me talk to you, no?
Yeah.
Money in time, man. I'm go some place and we sort out certain things and I tell you, if you can't run, do it. I deal with the boy I'm forward and I tell you to run. I never know say you're fast. So. You cut through the bush like say bush never did it. You may go to steal, me go. I can't steal, make me try to fall asleep on my eye lock. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You must have everything, you know.
Oh, if you ask one question, yeah, honestly.
Still
Have
there.
it gone?
You want to see it?
No, me no want to see it.
Is it covered up
No,
on?
me no want to see it. Make it stay. Just like check if you have the same way.
Don't tell me say you get covered up on. My pinky. I can't really let the start use. You may go do. So I kind of feel that way, you know, like 10. It's naive, I walk from fur, some hot grass. Alright, out there, so.
Yes.
So tell your mother some love her still and big up herself.
Yes, and you can call me, yes. You can go on here. Yeah?
You make a number. You make a number. Why is it one piece of paper so we're going on the phone?
Alright, here I go. Put it in this sir.
Me not on phone at the desk.
Alright, let me get a number. You ready?
Right, one piece of paper.
No, remember your brain fast. Just alright. 6 7 7 9801.
6779801.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a tattoo.
Eh?
I'm gonna get a tattoo.
2 weeks ago.
I'm not man name, sir.
No, sir. No, remember say my brother name.
So big. I must never show it.
Alright. Yeah. Eh? No, me I give you a Pepsi.
Take it.
Yeah, take it.
Yo, stop push me. Stop push me.
Come here, me now put me hand through.
So we can't, I'm gonna worry up someone. Yo, don't that man. Don't that. My brain is going up.
Put me hand through, yes, so. Yes, so.
See?
Yes, here. Scratch.
Just like that.
Brads. You not hear me? Yes. You know say the man, you come back. Eh? Yes. You have to go come along, come. Eh.
No, you know.
Where you?
Who named Brad? Who named Brad? Start to who named
You
Brad?
never said Brads, me said Barbie.
Who named Brad? Yo, Who named Brad? Talk to me
Me
fast.
never say Brad, me say Barbie.
Me a idiot.
Me say Barbie.
Barbie.
A Barbie, me say.
Barbie, you say?
Why you mash up my phone?
Barbie, you say? Much of your phone? You don't have a phone right now. You see you? You see you? You see you, girl? Just wait, soon forward. Don't move. If you left that bumburner's place, me and you, remember me tell you. You want to get from me last? Alright, look, alright.
Give me phone, give me phone.
You got to have some drum kicking. Hey.
Give me
Almost sprung this already.
Yeah, careful.
Already.
Wow.
You know, Claudia's reach back here, so all you reach now.
Why right now I choose me there I think about big things right now.
What happened?
You know what I say? Where I didn't know if to start from. And come like say I meet and I make like everything, you know.
I don't understand that.
Oh, you know what I say? Remember the Rasta with Pink used to chat to your friend.
Yeah, me know. Yeah, what happened about
You
him?
know what I say? You forward back in that place. And
What?
you forward back in that place and the dog link me. Matter of fact, I pass, I'm seeing jump through Uncle Bush. And me did me I say no sir. Me look good, me see I man to bounty. I say no sir. This is not right.
Well,
This is not right.
so when saying did they?
Hills, mountain. Things been kill him long time.
Then you know if some did it and very long time
Things been
too.
kill him long time. What you know? That day one day is a madman, you know.
Then everybody
Okay.
don't know that.
Brad's they say Brad's little bit mad, but him fully mad. That the man they don't want
Only and Brad's.
time man you think you deal with no.
What? Think you have our next man?
Why?
I don't know
what's
about
that?
that. Think you never tell me
I you
about
know
that.
wicked this thing about it. Two man them. My friend them, you know. I'm saying two of them, you know.
Why?
But you don't know, I say. Me link Brad's when I time them. I make you know, say, oi, think madman in town. But say him no care, him no afraid of no man, but poor him no know say, I no mash yet that the man they fling or run with. That the man no left in 38, you know. And he no left in special, you know. That the man they love in special, you know. Bounty.
And you know when heartfulest thing is when him do things in get away with it because they have if you say
He mad and he have his certificate for true.
Exactly.
Boy.
But no.
Yes, true. And my friend two of them, me I go sit this one out, this one out.
What do you mean I sit this one?
What you mean? No. Me can't do nothing. Two of them are my friend. What you want me do? Me know two of them long time. Me know this man from me and me know Rasta long time still. Cause him help grow me certain way. Me know Brad's me and him grow together when me did the back a country up so. You see me? Me and him grow a country that the man they forward from. And go see Pinky and so comes my Pinky start chat.
That a brag.
Yes. And Rasta come back
But
now.
you
Rasta
never
like,
tell me
that's-
that.
And everything your friend I will tell you. Your friend I tell you everything. Everything you tell your friend.
You me tell her everything because
But
we not-
right, that are you. I know she have things to hide. You know, you feel your life no private like everybody else. You make everybody know your business. That
You
man
chat
like
too
that.
much,
And
my
you
life
chat too
private.
much, man. Cause you
You
tell me
better
about. Then you tell me say you tell him everything. Now you tell me
Yeah,
say you tell her
because we are
everything.
best friends,
No,
so we're supposed to tell
no.
each other everything.
So me ask you something.
I must
So
have reason why
same
she
way.
not tell me.
So I see him here. So when I saw when me and you don't do you go tell her say "Rrr, me not like that style, man. They sitting there make me
No,
scream.
sir, you know, so you're mad. Oh, me fi tell my
Me-
friend about my bedroom.
Then the day you're telling me say you tell her everything.
Me not talk about
No,
that.
man,
Big sense out of nonsense.
Oh,
You tell a friend them about your bedroom.
Oh, me never tell us me do them something. Then you
But
say tell
by
your
the
friend
way,
them
your
things.
friend didn't know say me
You know,
there
see
because
all
the
of, listen, me you know, see all of my friends them mad. All of
I
my
mean, I
friends
know
them
you
mad.
not mad.
Sometimes I adapt me there. More when you see me last in thoughts, bro. Me there, me I wonder it's the same thing. How me
No,
no
I'm
mad?
mad, you're
Ah,
mad.
me have my friend them. We are mad people around me. Judge God, I know, no, a problem. Me? It's
So
when
you're
it's-
not solving. Since you're
Oh,
not make light, you're not solving.
me look like an investigator or none of them top man there in our government. No, me never pan. You see when things go on, remember say I go over your friend Pinky. So tell Pinky say,
Me?
yeah, that's what me say. Tell a friend say if nothing go on between him and him man, you don't have to call on him, just say man, just say anything go on between him and him man, you run go to station. You know nothing to do with it neither. You just run come a your yard. Cause only thing me can
So
tell
when
you.
you will send me down there and you come
Then
up
you're a
as a
friend.
matter of fact, guy yard, me no want to hear me yard.
No, you're a
because
friend.
You will send me for good and my friend one time and not
God,
a problem.
God.
I go down there.
But you know, me
But you
gonna
send
say
me down
no.
and my friend, you know,
Yeah.
you gotta tell my friend say if you do this and do that and then
Me
come
never
back
tell
and-
us if you go on your
Suppose
friend
me
yard.
time
Me
me
never
reach
tell us
down
if you
there,
go on
the
your friend
problem
yard.
start.
Me never tell us if you go on your
So
friend
what
yard.
me
Me
go
only
do?
tell us say, only tell your friend say if him and him man them in a problem, you got number and what per time you upon him. Pinky. Well you can't say you go call her and make she know
Me
say
no
if
have
no.
no credit.
Why you alright?
Because
Why you
me
know
have
say
a
you go
worthless
use?
man.
No.
You know say me
No,
have no
you
credit
shouldn't say
for
so, you
1
know.
week now,
For I know
you
my
can't
fault,
buy me
you know.
no
Your
credit.
fault. Go pick up worthless man. If you say me a worthless man,
don't tell
it's
about
your
me,
fault. Oh, me don't tell you.
I'm not even an officer right now.
Only thing I can say to you is that problem in our camp.
Then go and down there go solve it.
You're happy.
Hold me!
What go on? Hey, look so.
Eh?
Hey, look so.
What me look so?
Yeah. Yeah, move so fast. How are you going?
Right, me can't stay one place too long, you know.
What me?
I mean, I heat, you know.
Oh.
Yo, you mean what? You don't know what already, man.
With Rasta?
Brother, me say, man, I look for me.
I look for you.
Brother, I can't stand me eat, brother. I have to look, brother. Come here, you say a madman too, you know.
Me never tell you. Me never tell you say a madman.
I wouldn't go put myself in that now, Jaja.
Me did tell you, no?
Eh?
But they say who can hear how he feel? Who can hear how he feel? And me did tell you say him man, he thief, a gunman, and he fully psycho in a head part because he have been surfing ticket. A Bellevue there man they come from.
Well, if he mad, me sick, you know.
Mm.
And me tell you the truth. Me not have no strap. I mash it me have.
Boy, but they man they have their strap and they ever have a con them.
Well, if him thing a stick,
No, me never
Me
tell
hand
you
not
say this.
stick.
Never tell you
Me
say
just
this
a-
stick.
me just a
I
tell you
don't know.
something.
Me never seen shoot nobody with it, but me ever see him with his strap.
boy, me I tell you, brother, me.
So me can't tell you say he got it, yes or no.
So you don't see him?
Yes.
When last you see? You see what I do? You see him again?
No, me not see him back from that. Me not see him back from that. But boy, you know what I say to you, no, me boy. Only thing me can say to you is just watch your head back. And you see what me mean still, cause you go live to see it.
Boy, better me they go drink some another day.
Let me name tell you.
But I'm going to take a full advice. But true, me can't hear and love browning and love slimmers.
Hold you till something else come in. Like, sorry for you, no boy. Right
But
now,
differently,
sorry for you.
the man, the brother, we're gone. You
Where's
see me?
Yo, well gone.
I'm going.
What do you? You good? You tell them I'm gonna let you. Tell them I'm gonna let.
Which man this about?
Let me see which man this is.
you.
Hey! Yeah, man, I say. Yo, you know me?
Me no know you don't know me, no, sir.
Good thing that. 2 questions I have to ask you. My daughter. What kind of conversation you and she have?
Them want to tell the truth, though, my general, normal day-to-day conversation, bossy.
That I go on. Alright, you are going. Take yourself. Yo, me have to say for you to take yourself.
Bossy, I'm telling you.
Yeah, man, do it.
So far, I get the body, so I go on.
Alright, you want to go and see? You don't know me, I've said before. Pinky, I'm a woman.
You who?
Pinky, I'm a woman. I'm get to understand, say, you don't know what I want because maybe I shouldn't tell you. So, me ask you this peacefully or in pieces, you decide, see? Where you plan to the left or you plan to stay?
Now left right now, right now,
left.
right now, bossy. One left right now, bossy. I'm a deacon, you know.
Yeah, deacon.
I'm not a bad boy, you know, bossy. I'm a deacon.
Not a bad boy.
A church. I
Like
praise.
You may say.
Oh, mighty, almighty.
I feel like say you're violent, man. Me bother, I'm gonna change my mind. Cause you know, me as a boy, I'm not feeling tell my brain go and come. Sometimes I ask questions, sometimes I ask some questions. You know what I mean? Like me, sometimes it's a real thing.
Boss, man, shoot me.
No, man, shoot
Boss.
me. Yo, listen, me say.
Boss, man, shoot me.
Alright, how long you there in my yard? It depends on how long you there in my yard. Me go feel like you're gonna survive. Talk to me. How long you there in my yard?
6 months.
6 months, too much.
Sit it up now.
You don't know what go on.
Oh,
Right now, breads and Rasta. Breads and Rasta down, so I'm sorry right now. I don't think me can left my. I don't think me can go down the road for all 1 week.
Rasta, what happened to breads?
Rasta pull up on me and breads, and for me and breads chat. Rasta pull up on with gun. You see me? Rasta pull up on with gun and tell me say for move. Me have to run. Breads there move to top breads and say him fi stay, him not fi go nowhere. Right now, me there want breads, you know.
Balway.
Me want him go. Me want him come.
Balway.
Eh?
It seems like in a year what go on.
What? What you talk about?
When I saw you for your uncle.
My uncle. Uncle there bush. Uncle there bush. Uncle there bush.
And their bush. You see him?
Miss when him a go a bush this morning.
You see him
Cause me and him there walk and a chat when he a go a bush this morning. Early this morning. I follow him go a bush and cut. I want to my uncle. Where you ask me about my uncle, so what?
You don't see him back again for your side.
What you talk about? What happened?
I don't know if it's this, you know. But your uncle pass off. Well, then go over the bush, go find him unalive.
God.
I don't know what happened.
Yo, you know, say. I see him Rasta, I see over there since there.
You did tell me that? You think I'm this?
You know who to do it, my youth.
No, but you see him, they need to lock him up. They need to put him somewhere. Because he can't continue to live like that. I know you feel, because I know say your favorite uncle. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I believe.
But you're lucky you never did nothing. We're signed down there with Brad's.
Mm-hmm.
Hush. Hush, yeah. Come go in.
Right now, she can't bring back my uncle, you know.
No, come go in.
Right. So far with them.
Alright, make you some time for yourself. Hold on for you.
Why, you uncle back?
so long till we come?
I'm in the person I'm going to come. Me dey busy. I'm glad to see you call me and stuff that happen.
That's what you tell me.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, the dirty Rasta man come back. And my face ain't dead. My face ain't dead.
I know.
Huh? What do you mean by you know? So you not tell me now, you not call me.
Feel like how you have a new man. You never call me.
And that me was about to do. Carry the man, come introduce him to you. And that me about to do, you not understand.
Oh,
And he never doing that.
Oh, if you understand that.
Because it was a surprise.
Surprise. 3 months. Surprise.
Me never know every time I go in a relationship, they feel me. So me never want introduce the one that tears so fast.
I see.
Yes, I'm serious. Me swear.
You're serious.
So me I say, alright, 3 months now and everything I go good. Me they will carry him come and me come and I even go link you. Then boom, you look who dirty Rasta man pop up in my house just a while ago.
Oh, and just pop up in the house and have a key for you?
I mean, he pop up at the yard and not the door, me think say I'm the man. Think say I'm the man. And when me look at him, me have to say, where are they? Me think say they did. Me have to play it off with this man. What go on, babes? You say you want to sleep here. Me have to tell you, say, no, you can't sleep here because here my mother just move in with me. Yeah, no. Yeah, your mother, remember say your mother not talk. So by the time, you know me a grown and come around him now and he fall for the chicken sitting. Me no go on the phone and look, not even look if the man gone fully. Me go and call Brads. And when me call Brads now, the man boop in the door and come in. Fling me on the bed and choke me. And I'm in the call and hurt me.
But, you know, so since he come back, he analyze some of them. Yes. He attack Bobby grand uncle. Bobby uncle. Yeah, he analyze him. Girl, that man, I don't think you forgot to get that man because he might go analyze him.
Me not go back to him. Me have to just play nice with him because me don't want to go say the wrong thing and then the man come kill me. Me can't just get up and say, me don't want you drunk up.
No,
and the man go kill me. So when you tell me say you don't think me supposed to go back to him, I either go back to him. Me happy with Brad's girl.
So you didn't know so he attacked Brad's?
Hmm?
I didn't know so he was Brad's from gun time. And Bobby have to run left Brad's.
Since today.
Last year. Today. You did get Brad's in the car then? Eh?
Yes.
What Brad say?
He not say nothing now. He start tell him say the man come back here and he need to come now. He not say nothing now. No, me can't see Brad.
I don't think Brad's gonna come. Because the man don't find him already. So you need to step up your follow ground and find out where you are going. Because everything gone through for it. So you have to go find a way to get back Brad's and go hard. You done first?
You know, you can just go on now.
I can just go on now.
Yeah, you can go
They call
on.
me for night for space.
You can go on. So this is you have to tell me, you can just go on.
Well, I mean, if this important. You think this is not important?
It never that important. I know why you take too long to tell me so the man there.
Or me take too long? Hello, I just not too long me find out all of them are something here. And my little brain can process smooth something one time.
Me not
You
drink.
feel glad to me even
I'm
come
not
up
smoke.
and tell you.
But right now, I feel I'm gonna take a shot of rum, you what?
Go and go get this shot around because the one that heavy need Jesus.
Yeah, you can go on.
I know you later. Now go.
Yeah, I like you can help me.
And if me could help you, more to help you. But that's spite of us. Because I can't believe that me and your best friend are in a relationship for 3
Left
months.
me yard, boss fight.
And
Leave me yard, left me
yeah,
yard.
that's spite of the truth.
Left me yard. Come on, go on. Rubbish. You got them all kill. It's a good thing we hide our next phone. Yes. Pick up no man, Brads. No answer. Hold on. Straight advice. Jesus. No man. Me have to go get some breeze.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I'm here to see how check out about share X market spot, you know. I'm represent for one public report, you know. You don't know what J Nucleus I represent. One J Nucleus, the body said Nucleus, I will say West Side, Wicked and Wild. And you don't know you can find the artists on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. One J Nucleus. Check in.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Oh, you run something like your friend. You suspect somebody? Eh? You know what I'm saying? I have a good reason with it.
The children not good enough. That time some
You know when somebody fuck, you know. So you go. What make you never tell me say Pinky have a madman? A man who don't have no sense. They are prison. Eh?
Hello. Me thinking the dead enough.
Think.
Me
That
think the man is dead. And further notice me and him not know dealing.
You have my life in a big jeopardy right now. And that me I try to tell you, because man I walk up and done and look for me. Where man look for me for? Look how long in their prison.
I'm sorry about that, but what
Sorry,
what me feel about
sorry can't buy my life when he shot me. Hey, look at him, man. Make you never tell me say I ever seen that man. Out that road, lock up.
Why make you never tell me say I want Papa me come pick up?
Papa,
Eh?
Papa.
Why make you never tell me say I want retarded man me come pick up?
Retarded?
You can't fight back.
Fight.
You can't fight back.
When me see man a pie, me try to run, but me can't run. The man butt me up around the corner around yourself.
So me ask a question, you can't fight.
When
You
me see-
can't fight.
Listen, when me see man a
Alright, listen.
you know what?
Another fight, that me mean. You can't get one somebody when I shot them too.
Listen.
Eh? And protect yourself.
You forgot how we talk to. Remember say pastor, my daddy, you know.
Listen, you know.
Remember.
Listen, you know.
So I'm like a bad person,
Pastor.
a bad person, look for.
Me see pastor get shot, you know. And when they not bad. So listen to what me I say now. You see in this lifetime right now, a man go and check me, you know. And
Check.
right now, me want to move out. So what you
Yeah, hear me I say.
What you need?
Listen me I say. The man I walk up and done in a Pinky. He bought me from a corner around this side and the man tell me say, boy, I hear my woman them that shot you know. That show me not see what I'm here. You hear me here, you know. And people that tell me news, you know. People are girl now come out and tell me news, say, yeah, I'm woman there and sitting in a big house and sitting in bed on my bike. Eh? I ain't buy the bed there.
What on there?
I ain't buy that.
What on there? Eh? Where does I go?
Me said, the man said me in a big bed cock up round there. You know here?
I know him buy.
Well, listen.
Well, all we give me the money, but I know him buy.
Listen what me I say now. Listen what me I say.
I mean, buy it.
Cut that bullshit them.
Are you
No
because that
want
bullshit?
that.
Mr. Moore, move out. What
But
you
me want
want
move too.
What
So
you
listen what me I say.
So
Me, listen, let me talk. Let me talk. If I never you, me wouldn't have this problem right now, you know. You hear me I tell you, okay, girl. Listen what me I say now.
Fight for what you want. That's the set.
Fight, me go fight. You see who I run, but from me first run. Listen. You know, say me not have no money right now. Me tell you the truth, you know, babes, and right now the pocket kind of fracture. But I go check what I'm friend named Bulby. He must can help me
You
out.
can't take time talk.
Right now me can't.
Why don't you that chat?
Me can't take time talk. We are talking about man.
Next senile man.
I know senile, but me
No, take time
almost
talk.
dead. You know when I might stick you up, have you gone for a cock if I move? A burn your skin boy, I say I'm around there.
Where have you gone?
But cocks up. Like you laugh and feel like a joke. You're a gun girl, you know about gun. You have to go for a breeze cut then.
My ears, me and the man there now. So me know about gun.
Listen what me I say. You know, listen what me I say. I go check Bulby because but that thing big. My Bulby a friend and every time I have some big problem, Bulby always help me, you know. I go link Bulby. So when I go and pack up the things that we have in here, you see look things we have in just left them, we can burn them around about this, but I got country go live.
Bonwa.
I thought
Me I rent out the room. Bonwa.
you look out the suppose my carpet you have in here, you want to come back here so. Listen what me I say, I go link Bulby. Go and pack up the things them. You understand? Not pack up your house in them, you know, you new them and buy another day. No car crosses go where I go. I've left crosses just so. You soon come.
Me I care back and make I come like I want next class is the pick up.
Are you a care? Me a care. I left you. Tell me man come back, go get you again, man. Bust your head.
You know me now. You don't know
Me
me.
no want to know you.
Go 3 doors because you don't know me. And that me they make you know. You think you know me? Me a bad girl. Oh. Me tell her that. Cause me kill it to her now. Rubbish.
Come down so
Me I made something, you know.
what that means? Well, before that, how you take your whole situation with your uncle?
Good man. Good man.
Always. Me and you know, say, anytime you talk like that, something in your brain, you think. What you have for your brain? What you have for the body?
Do you even know right now? I'm just there confused, I know.
You're confused.
But in a real life still no, me no feel like say me I go make this slide certain way, you know, for real, no, cause
What you plan to do? Take revenge?
I don't even know if I revenge go on here, no, cause to me see it right now, I want in life, everything more of him, everything.
So you really
Everything.
and truly sure say
Everything.
him do it?
You gotta tell me, say, in the same timing when me see him, little after that, me they hear say my uncle dead, and me no must med say him and him tell me say him see my uncle.
Your face that chipping head chip out and him do it, but I mean, I don't know. But, alright, my advice to you, Bobby, no rush nothing. Take your time and find out what really are going on. So you see him from the incident happen?
Now look for see him. Cause when I see him, I go do him something. And is it true? Me know say having one tool pan him also too. He might get me for now. But it's a long run short catch. And remember me tell you say it's a must catch. It's a must catch.
Bobby, me know why you put yourself in a problem. Remember, so we have one heap of things planned for your future.
Yeah.
Me understand say your favorite uncle that you really love him, but you still have to know what you do. You have to act smart. Because next thing you go for this man, you go get locked up. What will happen to me? Eh?
You go good man. Don't worry about that. You go 100 for sure.
Boy, me not like this. I don't like this.
So you go still now. I go just do it right and continue just meds for certain things where I go get my brain off fight, you know, cause right now the DVD you want remember about even remember about him won't even put it on brain no.
Me see
But-
you walk come on the road like say about to drop down like you have a word by your head. So me have to ask you. Me know say you not take it simple.
Nah man, he good man.
You sure? For real. Me no one day and get no call, you know.
No, so nothing like that.
Alright.
Me have my boy Brad to go up on the road still, isn't it? So if not just call me, I go link him and me say me I go link, but me say I want to see you first, isn't it? So I link him now. But leave one walk down the road neither.
Just be safe on the road, and if you see him, like try to find out what
Who?
really
See who?
Rasta guy me talk about. Remember saying head not so right
Yeah,
in
tell
a
me about
ball.
Rasta, yeah, tell me
Remember
about
saying
Rasta.
head
All
not
me
so
day I
right.
try to take my mind from Rasta.
Me know
yeah,
say
tell
you
me
try
about
to take your mind
Rasta,
from me,
Rasta.
but me know what in your mind, but you think me an idiot? Eh?
Rasta violate me, you know, first violate him, pull gun for me, you know, me never yet disrespect him in no farmer way, you know.
But
Never,
Bobby,
you know.
you know saying head
But,
not right.
yeah, he head not right, if you know who he head mad at for take pan. Cause watch out, me mad too, you know, mine have my surf ticket, you know, mine have nothing like where him get, you know, but watch out, no, man, me mad too, me sick, me need help, and nobody know want help me.
Someone that I help you.
Fear help, no say, irrelevant about watch out right now, more down we help we you give me right now.
Really?
I know disrespect, but more help right now than where you are shubot to me, cause watch out now, right now, come like say, well, I don't even know if I explain it to you neither, you know.
But we go and buy your business. Because you see this thing, me see where it a go. And me see where it a lead to.
Watch out now, you come on.
All me can say calm seat and relax.
Bulby! Maybe I must pass for her and I want to Bulby! Yo! Oh, you hear me like how long man you can answer bad man, what go on? I'm forward, I'm back, I'm forward. Alright, Jimmy, what just start waiting for you, door. Hurry forward, brother, hurry up, hurry up. I pray. You know? I say, I want him to link up on my friend.
Right now.
Stay now.
Till I chew you, you know I go through my head. You don't know say what day when my uncle dead, you know about it.
That George,
Yeah,
Babush. You hear about me, people in Panama talk about it, you know. George is one man when you know trouble people, brother.
you know say, same time in do. Only one thing right now, one thing in my head, you know, I tell me say Rasta do it.
Which Rasta? I see Rasta me now want to be.
Rasta do it.
Jesus Christ.
You know say me see the man, bad man, me see the man. Boy.
Where's Sam?
See the man. When the man come out of bush, brother, or my uncle bush, you see the man come out of that.
How you say?
When I tell me say he see my uncle, I want my God see.
Yo.
Right now, tell the truth, dog, a different means me depend right now, you.
Brother, I can feel the pain, brother.
Brother, man, I tell me say, yo, him see my uncle, and then couple minutes more, man, I tell me say my uncle dead.
Judge you.
No more something go on.
Something good on, brother. Something good on. You die much try rob your uncle or scam. I say the boy that come from prison, you know. I ain't have nothing. You not even have clothes, not even have money, nothing at all. Right now, he come like an anchor dog. I walk around right now. Right now, place man look for catch.
Right now, tell me see it, you. Revenge, me a praying on my dad. I don't know what you are praying about.
You are pre-revenge right now. I take him out, take him myself. You know what I say? When I see me come out of bush, look after. Man, back me up, bad man. I'm boss one a year.
Why?
I tell me something for move.
But why upon the chat they do?
Brother, listen to me, I say, brother. Listen to me, I say, man, boss one in a year. Boo!
The day up on the front there.
Brother, I tell you, brother, when you see me for bush there, I tell you, when you see me for bush there. When you see me for bush, right after, the man see me around there so bad, man, I say, boy, are you the woman? I'm come from woman, you know. That the man I try to tell me, but the man try to tell me, say, you know, see what I hear my ear. So somebody I tell him things. You understand? Brother, I think me dead. The rest of me is my man bossy, you know, brother. I think me deaf.
Right now, you know what you are mentioning me dad, but you know what I say, you know. Yeah, pray.
You know what me and meds? Eh?
What you know? Where are meds?
You know what me and meds?
Yeah.
I dig me up here to dig up, brother. I'm playing for lift
So
up,
you're
bro.
not pray for revenge.
Revenge where?
You really gonna take it like that, bro?
Brother, revenge where bad man. I not look no revenge because I have nothing to defend myself. I have no tool, I have no shoes. What I have to defend myself?
That me try to show you say bad man, we are gonna work on.
I not work on that because him already come out of prison and have tool. So you must can help me as my friend right now. I run more with me a pinky, you know.
Who you want me help?
Help
Help you
this is what I say now. Me a pinky plan. So we go for country, brother. So we are moving things from done so over there. And go for country. So you must can look for me and give me 10 grand or give me something. Not 10 grand. I want 30,000. Bus fare, food cover,
brother.
Gas bill cover.
Brother. Right now, two you talk bad man. You are more shaky right now.
Brother, what you mean me I'm more shaky, brother?
You me have money give you, no?
What you mean you want to give me, brother?
Give you that car, watch it. You gonna make man bust shut off and you take it like that.
Suppose
I shoot in, you shoot you. Where you done? Run the same way.
Brother, sometimes
the same way. So you man.
They say, oh, fight and run away if you see another day, you know. So me not go like me, I don't hear when no man have no pipe in their hand.
China man, the situation.
Me have pipe in friend, you know.
Situation nobody not dead for you. They can talk, so.
Bad man, I hope people dead for brother. I hope a cousin me a friend.
Yeah, that. Yeah,
so yes, you give me money.
I don't have no money I give bad man.
That means, brother, you know, say no easy though, brother. If you in my space, no, brother, you don't want me help you, no, brother. Cause, listen to me, say, I'm gonna bust a shot off your head. I bust a shot of your ears. If I see when spark like up like sky boy, like a fire rocket. What you tell me, say? That means you don't rate me, bro. Give me a tell some man bust inside of me, that's a bell ring. How you tell me say you can't give me money, but you know what lift me for my fair place,
I don't want free man. Watch out now. Look come on.
You're good, brother. I'm not want to send it to your brother.
Yeah. Listen. What you mean dead? What you mean? You don't understand that. Dead like what? So that, you know, 2 days ago, I see man and we have reason with the bush we are talking about. That's impossible, man. Alright, tell me who do it. Just tell me who do it now, man. You don't know? So if you don't know, you have to tell me half of the information. That don't make no sense. So hold on. What the word on the street? What am I talking about? Cause I guess I know me the man go to farm every day, brother. And then if my forward no one I'm on wipe him out, you're mad. How that you go on? Anybody do it, man, out. Man, tell you wipe out style. Yeah, I see he look a nephew which did it. Even though my nephew them. Yeah, come here, man, look me, I'm a little daughter. Me have to pray that, brother. I tell you straight and plain. What? Headshot. What? So that means say the business are gonna get mashed up there. What text me, man? Yo, Mr. Stop! Make sure so what you tell me I saw you going on. You hear me say? This I'll show off the whole vibes with all. Yo, make sure say what you tell me I saw you go. That's all me I tell you. You hear me say, sir? I'm keep my bread. You think I say it ago? Just watch where I go. Yeah, I see me can link up all the nephews. So. Yeah. Alright. Hello, relax the man. We are move some. I want you. Where Bulby there? Bulby may come from.
Bulby come from?
Bulby may come to check.
Oh, Bulby not there.
So you mean Bulby there? Yes, Bulby live.
Yeah, yes, I live.
So you live at another place?
Yes.
So what happened?
In the year.
What do you mean in the year?
In the year.
So when gone? Talk to me after before you somebody.
In gone on the road.
I'm gone do.
Why you ask me so much question?
What do you mean to me ask so much question? Listen to me, sir. Me forward just to just have a serious conversation with Bulby because I understand what going on because what I tell you, sir, sometimes in life you have to wonder really what going on because some people when I need to get certain things, they get certain things, you know. You understand me? I say, what do you mean to me I talk about? Where you go? Relax the man. Slow man, relax man. Relax man. You messy. So make you really go on, sir. How are you here, boy? What can them say me mad? That?
Yeah.
Boy be uncle. Saying? This man my hear say man get shot.
What do you mean this man in my ear say man get shot?
So boy be know about it?
Yeah, Bulby know about it.
So why am I do about it? How am I cooperate? How am I operate?
Bulby not take his side, but me not understand you.
What means you not understand me? What you talk about?
No, you kill the man. Everybody say how you do it.
Yo, shut your mouth, man. And stop the foolishness.
Don't use the
Why me
words
not kill
at
somebody I know, my brother, my friend? Eh?
No, but
Me no man there bush that try to sort out certain things.
But they say
So
you
yeah, sir.
last, they say with him, so you kill him.
What do you mean, me kill him?
Yes, they say you.
Them who? Them who says so?
Everybody else is
Everybody like who?
Bulby right now.
That's what Bulby say right now?
Yes, because he say you last, he say with the uncle.
Only if you see me last with the uncle. Me tell the man say me I come from bush. We go sort out, we are sort out. That was a conversation.
Yeah, but
So our conversation switch. Are you switch the conversation?
I did not switch on the conversation.
You know, woman stay, woman love twist up things. You know, hear
So
one
why
word.
why
What do you mean so me a go answer? How are you go answer for?
Me not going
I want to say
anywhere.
me a kill the man. Huh? That's what I say. Or you say that alone?
No, I
Eh?
did not.
So how you got it? So,
Hey!
what do you mean, hey?
Hey, listen.
Oh yeah, do car crowd for me?
Me not feel can't crow upon you because you come like attack you want attack.
Me not attack you, me upset, because me vex, because my brethren drop out. And me do it. Me left from bush now and forward down from the plane, because we done say boy ropes. And the money go reach and certain things go start out, we buy everything. How that?
Me don't know who.
All me I say, so you have a phone number for you, you have a phone can call Bulby.
My phone there for my mother charger.
So go up your mother for your phone and for somebody case now.
Listen, my mother not near yes right now. But all me can say, you see, if you gonna check Bulby, please don't go by yourself because right now Bulby hot for you, you know.
Hot for me for what?
If you catch him, I go hungry. And more
Angle me, you know me. Hey, yo, shut your mouth. Yeah.
Oh, we have to shut them
I'll
out.
be, yo.
Me look in there, a joke.
Sometimes I wonder if you're right. What I see it now, let me tell you. Me go to see it. What I see
Me
it.
no want to sit down, me hard that me attack.
What I see it, you talk. And we song a reason. See? That me I say. But me I say really and truly. You have to get through the Bible. If you see him, when you see him, tell him someone want to see him. See?
Me can't tell Bobby that because Bobby cross for you. Next thing me go tell him say you want to see him, he lick me down.
So I don't make a man you deal with, that's true. Man will abuse you. That's why I'm telling you, you know, what have Rasta life, you know. Rasta life for the best life. But you may say still. Right now, me need to know, say boy, if you hear from Bulby, just call what me I talk to you, man. Slung man, slung and relax the man, me I talk to you, man. Eh? Why you sound so suspicious?
What do you mean by me sound suspicious?
You know nothing
Be
about
careful
it.
yourself.
So what you know about it? So what you know? Tell me what you
No,
know.
why you come and someone come accuse me?
Me not accuse me, I say you sound like you know everything what I want.
Me don't know everything what I want, but I know see how you do it.
Mama, if you say it again, me no know what you to give a left or right. Me not abuse it, but me will give you left or right.
But
Yeah,
I
yeah, me
know
stop.
them
Say this
me.
rubbish on me ears, but I me just
And
stop.
you dance
Who
again.
said them? Who named them, me say? Me paste them right now.
Bulby.
Boy, me say,
Go and go for yourself.
your phone a charge your granny or your mother, you see? Your mother, alright. So, when your mama forward, tell your mama say,
My
you
mother,
need to make the phone
not
call
mama,
and you
my
call Bulby. Because I'm in a foolishness, because he's a boy who really and truly, if a boy go run up step to me a certain way, I'm not going to say ropes. I'm going to shoot and then ask questions after. You get what me I say?
But that's all that you do is see him in the office, because they're ignorant, you know. They chip in and chip out, so you know if you go chip out the day there, you pie. And when time I left your feet saying the alright, I wanna go up and over there, your brain chip in back and I remember see you do something. Now I truth.
Which part is the truth?
The
Tell me which part of the truth.
part when the brain chip out of your shot.
Yeah, my brain chip out that part of the truth, but me not shit. I'm do what? And then 3 elastic.
Listen to me.
You want to chop me, not sure.
Listen to me.
You want to chop me, not sure. You want to chop me, not sure. Sit down, man. Sit down, you reason, you talk. Sit down. That's why I don't like spar certain woman certain time. You know? You see how my woman there, eh? Certain things just not work out. But you hear me I say, when you do get the chance to call Bulby, you hear me I talk up to somebody.
Yeah.
When you hear and see Bulby talk to him, tell him someone want to see him. Tell him say Rasta want to see him.
Alright.
See?
Yeah.
You hear me I say? So how soon the feast that go happen?
Mm-hmm.
Normally when you go,
No, me I say,
you laugh him at this.
man.
Just link him for me. See? Oh, the number you alright, ready. I'm going to take me number. You know.
Just number.
See my number, yeah.
You did have phone?
I want house phone, man. See it? So you
But me
shout.
not see nothing upon this, so right in the dirt this, so man. Get one stick, see stick there, you get here right there, so. I mean, when you go down the road, you must see bulb.
953 53 47. See?
953 53 47. Alright. Can you get back my last kit then, please, and thank you. Hello? This is a mad rasta dirty boy, yeah. I true you have him pipe and him, him too correct. I'm doing it for true. The Rasta friend.
My Rasta friend, oh, he mad man.
He mad man, he come my yard today.
You know there nothing.
Yes, he squeezed me and he grabbed me and he put me to sit down and he shot me down sitting.
No, sir.
Yes,
And I know you come look for me and tell me all of that.
because he not too long left from yard, but guess what? He might tell me say that him shut the uncle, he come my yard to look for you and I ask oh yeah, take you and everything.
So you believe that what you tell us? You really believe, no, me ask you, officer, I believe what you tell us?
Like, he kind of look innocent. Like, you know, like I didn't do.
Even though I want to set a bomb.
What me fi do? Like, me don't know, he come my yard and yeah. But he said he said me must call him anytime you come, man.
Right now, it makes sense to tell me this you're still not car. Right now, me not, you see, he chatting, me not too dependent with no man right now, you know. That I think about
But
you know,
me
right
feel
now.
like if you go to him and find out what really going on.
Me if you go to him,
Because me feel like you not take this wrong.
me want to go to him.
No,
Tell
but
me,
suppose
anytime
he
you
not
see me,
do it.
anytime you hear say me, go to him. Either in dead or him have to run away. You
But-
say it.
But you need to calm down.
You tell me about calm down.
Baby.
Every minute you tell me about calm down.
But you understand.
You think this a calmness you go put me nowhere or make my uncle come back?
Me know what you say now, but he must say some business in my uncle did that do up in the bushy there
Some
one time
business.
you see him. He said left him man up there, you don't know what happened. You sure say somebody never offer your uncle or something? Like your uncle never in some dealings or whatever?
From me know my uncle, only thing my uncle do from the yard to bush. He not chat to people.
Yeah, you can't
He
swear
not
for
chat. Me
nobody
not say if you
nowadays.
know man. But that the man, me I tell you say a long time me know a Rasta and him they help grow. Me tell you say I'm my uncle friend. Like that. And I like say I'm my uncle friend and my uncle friend like that. So I so comes me know a Rasta man. You see me, my uncle
So I
no
really
big-
feel like you would have just come back and do him something and why would I
Right
want
now,
to
my
do
head
your
start
uncle
hot me, you know.
something?
Right now, my head make start hot me, you know.
Oh, me make your head
You
start
mean you
hot,
can't
because
tell
me
me
I put sense in your
foolishness,
head
brother.
and you don't
a
want to take it like your
foolishness you
feet.
tell me. Alright,
It's
watch
so
out.
like I truth here, but you see, you know what's wrong with you Jamaican people, the truth hurt.
Big up yourself. Me I go down the road, cause me I go see Mr. Rasta, you know.
Boy,
Matter of
B,
fact, me I go link
and
one
yeah,
of
me I
them
want
G them
you.
anytime I left you so, you know. Cause watch out, man. Right now, me can't take it no more, you know. And my head a hot me, you know. I be things that come down upon my head now, right? Pressure, stress, anxiety, everything. One time I bungle up in this one
You
brain,
need
yeah.
to go sleep
Who fi sleep?
and relax yourself.
Sleep where? So when me sleep, how me I go see him? How me I go see Madras? Remember me tell you say, yo,
Bulby you not,
me
Bulby,
chat no
Bulby
while
you not,
you
you not see what
me
me I
want
see
chat
now.
you.
Bulby you not see what me I see. Mine you take this wrong way.
Me ask you so, you eat from there? You cook? If you not cook, you go on down, you know, cause right now, but you tell me say no make sense to me,
hungry?
you know. No, I'm good.
So what you ask me if I cook for?
You hungry, go on down, go cook something, you know, remember you have a family to take care of, you have chores to do in the yard, go and go do it,
Me
man.
done do everything what me have to do. Come with me, you go down.
That's the man, me so forward.
No, me
I'm
and you
so
go
forward,
down. Where
man.
y'all go? Where y'all go?
Say me so forward.
Come on.
Say me so forward, big.
Come we are good on
Say me
because
so forward. Go on,
you
man.
you're gonna do no all time we are Bulby, me not trust you, no Bulby.
Nice. I'm so
Bulby, I
forward.
see your
No, man,
brain,
me so
your
forward.
brain
Go on,
corrupt.
man.
Come
Go on, man. Me so forward with you.
Bulby, your brain
Go on,
not
man.
there,
Me
so
so
Bulby.
forward. You know, say me not like talk to
Come
you.
on.
You know, say me not like talk to you, though. Me so forward. Watch out, man. I sit me away,
Where
pan.
y'all go? Where y'all go?
Me a go link my friend. Me a go
Which
link
one
my
of your
friend.
friend
You don't know him. You
Me-
don't know.
me
Listen,
know
calm
all
down,
of-
man. You don't know him, man.
Come
Man,
on,
the
me
current
know
boy you
all
touch
of your
him.
friend them,
You
Bulby.
know all of my friend them. You know
Alright.
all of my friend them.
You see, if my phone ring, trust me not left me yard.
No left your yard, turn in your yard. Are your
Trust me.
yard of it
You
turn?
say me want
Are your
Bulby?
yard of it turn?
Bulby, you say
Are
me
your yard of
want
it turn? Go
Bulby?
on, go on, go on, go on. Are your yard of it turn?
Find out what happened
Find
before
out
you
what
jump to
happened.
conclusion.
Find out what
You hear me
happened.
say?
Find out what go on, go on
Alright.
down, man. Go on down, man.
Can't
For
never want
you know, I
because
said nothing to me will make sense right now.
take time to get your hand out a tiger motor here.
Take time to can out a tiger mouth. You know, so if you take them time, take them out a tiger mouth. True, me then they go on with nothing. Why, man, nah like your father, but boy, all you have to vex with me right now. You better look about coffee and read for me, because right now I'm in a business again. You know. See ya.
Start smoke now. You start smoke now?
Why are we smoking?
Smoking is bad for you, know that already. Eh?
You want to tell me that?
Sell
So,
it. Me
what
only
is
sell it.
it
Me
like?
only sell it. Only sell it.
Oh.
Listen, me, sir. What going with you? It's a tell me one situation where no sound too good. I'm here say yeah, boy, you are link up. Eh? Talk to me fast. Rain soon fall. Are true?
I didn't really come for approach. I did to come to ask me and like talk foolishness. I did to come and so ask me about. You call me out in a jury. Ask me this.
Listen to me.
Me
Just
hear
cut
it.
it off. Just cut it off. Simple
Why?
as that. Because you know say no one good with and certain things are going
Me
on.
all hear something, you know. I mean, I wonder if I true.
Well,
Me
yeah.
hear say you kill Bulby
No,
uncle.
no. Who tell you that?
Oh, you don't need to know who tell me that. Just know say no hide. Oh, so I true.
Come with that. Come. Alright, you know what there's no way you think your father could be a friend killer. And you have to know that. You understand me? I say, me and that man there, how far we are come from. You get to me, I say to you? Answer and respond to me when I talk to you, girl. Because you get big when you feel like, say, yo,
Because you treat my sister better than me. But anyways, me and
what do you mean we
one.
treat the sister better than you?
No man. Yeah.
Why you say that? Let me say me do it. But you believe say me do it?
What me if you think?
Let me say what you think. Me ask
Right
you
now
what you
you're
believe.
in stinker road.
Yeah, we are different from what you believe in your head and your heart.
Me believe.
Seriously speaking,
Uh-huh.
he's a madman, but things can't go from
I'm glad you're addict to you, man. First truth you ever talk. Yeah, man.
Alright, so your sister there?
You ask me if she's my sister, I don't know. You know what her?
Stay far from Bulby right now until everything clear. You get me? I said to you? And you have to understand say this thing is serious.
Why would you stay far from him?
Because we don't know what him capable of doing. You understand me? I say?
People like
Yeah, based on the circumstances. Because you tell me now, the woman I tell me all these things say,
who?
no worry about the party.
Who?
No worry about the party.
No, you talk finish talk. Who you say?
Just stay far from him. Simple as that, man. And make things flow.
You know, say if I have to go dead, I go dead, bro.
Dead to her.
Okay.
So you am serious involved then? Me I tell you to stay far from him and you tell me foolish on the ears. That makes sense?
If you can say I told me, man, I know you want me.
So when you feel like you can recognize I'm not going to run away now. This is not pinky.
Why have been people?
Oh, wow.
You come here, this is a waste of time.
Glad though. So you don't have time to have it time. All what you say to me right now is I go to this years and I come and coach units or something. One way or the other, it I go to 1 years and I come and coach units one. Nothing not registered.
When not to link you up, when my sister, Jesus,
Oh,
I'm going to switch around. When not to link you up, make sure say you keep me posted, make she knows that she will stay off of the road as well. I mean, I
so you don't
understand.
get to nothing. You don't have a phone.
You forget what I want? Eh? Come like your brain, something with the brain. Alright, you are. Remember, say myself is stay far from you. Tell Natty self to just stay in, just make everything blow off and then you can go back to regular bit. You can go back to regular business. You get it? Alright, love me that. Hug me up, man. And then you say, me a treat your next sister better than you. Hug me up! See it?
Oh. How far there? Oh, you can't call link round up my side. Yeah, man, be the right under my shed. Alright, hurry up. Come before it rain, come down with me. Alright.
Oi! Come in and lock the door,
I'm gonna go.
What going?
Good day, yeah. Miss, I'm coming to tell about your ex that I rasta.
Hello, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. No come here so come tell me about dirty Rasta. Cause listen. Rasta come back here and feel like say you want come bad me up and tell me what to do. You understand what to do from what me not to do. So me know when you come here so come tell me nothing about that Rasta man. You understand? Because him loco in a female dinner. So nobody will tell me nothing about him. And as I can see, I pack up my things them for left here so. Alright. So me know you come and tell me about.
My ex mark this fact. That's all me can say. But I don't know say the Rasta man kill Bobby uncle.
What?
The Rasta man kill Bobby uncle.
No go so.
You mean nothing is
No go so girl, that's impossible. That man they can't kill that man because the man is my friend. So when they talk about
when is a friend? When you
bang
mean
bang that's
friend?
so. Them a close friend. Or if you kill your friend girl.
Mama say head chipping up probably.
No brother, me know saying loco, me know saying head chip, me know saying have no sense, me know saying retarding, me know say but listen, no he not kill your friend. You understand? He not kill your friend. I pack up right now if you left because you can't take your house.
And the man grab
So you have him involved, you have him in a business or something when bank up your yard. How him?
Let me say something to you. You sound like you're jealous. Like I want it. But guess what?
No, just
Me and him not no dealing. But
I involved or something.
me and him don't involve, but I jealous.
Jealous, me
Because
jealous.
they are access
I
me
know
and
what?
him involved.
I don't mind you take it. Hold on, I don't mind take it. Come on, he kill you. That's what
The
he
blood
do.
of Jesus again.
Take my spot.
And by the way, me love my man and me not give my man bun.
Eh? That a fear business and Rasta business, but guess what me I tell her right
Which
now?
Rasta?
I pack
Which
up
mad
pick up
Rasta? Which dirty mad Rasta?
about my business and I just me does act like if you are involved because you are really scared. I don't business who want to take
Do
it.
you think me would have got with your ex man?
Me don't know.
How many friends would that be?
Me don't know.
Eh?
I brush down my suitcase and now to cause Family they are so much
So
years.
where your man there?
With that, eh?
Where your man there?
You know worry about where him there.
Me not worry about where you
All him.
So why send you agree? Call me no Rasta go find it anywhere you go, you know, can you chaka?
Rasta find who?
Can you mad?
Rasta find
You
who?
insane, so I'm go find you anywhere you there.
Rasta find who? Find who? Eh? Say sick. You come like say you're Rasta sick on me. Rasta find who?
You.
Rasta find me. Let me tell you something. Me will mad Rasta, me voodoo him. You don't know me, yeah?
Where do what?
Me will voodoo him.
So you didn't know more than the pinky?
Hello! You hear what they ever say about the gun? You live by the gun and you die by the gun.
Oh, so you live by
And you live by the obia?
You
Yeah, yes, you better me go live with it now. Me see some people live with it, you better me go live with it. Cause if he ever ramp with me, and me can't catch him, or if he shut him up, guess what me do him? Me voodoo him and make him love me alone.
And me can say, just be careful, because I know him go find you and that the man there.
Go find him,
You
mama.
and that the man there, man find.
Oh, go find him,
And by the way,
mama.
how comes him and your ex? But you never left, him they just got jail. So that means that you're the man still in the dealings. And you're the cheat for the man. That's why you come for your nastiness.
So I come
You're not packing your fridge in a suitcase too.
No.
Eh?
Just tell the one and more, you understand?
Yeah. I understand. So what you do with the place with you?
But anyway, listen, you know worry about it. Let's take out yourself now. Take out yourself.
So how me that in contact with you? How to call you? Can I call up on phone? I don't know which part you're going. I tell you a location.
No, mama, let me tell you something, you know.
Why can I tell me a location?
No.
You're a close friend.
Not even my mama now know this location now. Come. Outside.
So that's why I got no pinky?
Yeah, waste me time, you know, man. I don't want the man come back and
No, me ask you a
Come on.
question if that's why I gone. After me and your close friend, now you come tell me, say, you not tell me which party you're going, me and your friend, how kind of style
And them man, they near.
What are they not? Come here, talk to you, and you're the jaw suitcase.
Come on, girl, what you girl, come you want the man come kill me now. Lucky door make him come in after you. Me don't understand you. Me don't understand. You know why me don't understand you? Let me tell you why me don't understand.
Why you don't understand?
Me don't understand. Why you not got it? You love problem. You love problem.
Hey.
Hey, you.
Eh?
How are you doing, Asa?
No,
Are you help her?
no, me not help her. For me.
I fear them as how easy come back from, but you shouldn't carry no bag and this are all suitcase.
Also, see, there you have a cab
See
with
that
a
me can help her out with the sitting them. But me ask her say how she not gone it, she love problem. Because me I tell her say me man soon come.
Eh? You want to come?
Me I tell her say me man soon come
You
and me no want
you-
you and
Pinky.
No, take yourself. Take yourself, man. Just
Yeah,
go on,
but
man.
we are
Take
not.
yourself, man. Go on, man.
It's
Enough,
okay.
some
you're
man.
a suitcase.
No, me know that suitcase. You figure say me give it by you. Move from the yard,
No,
man.
but the thing
Me
is
say
that-
come
but
from
the
the yard and move from here, man. It's like backside.
Pinky.
Yo,
Can
listen
me
to
things
yourself.
them come when I do, yeah?
You see that talk?
Alright, sorry.
Pinky, you want me?
Me I help her with her things
Pinky,
them.
Pinky, you want me, Pinky?
Me
Want
I
me,
help
Pinky?
her with her things
What kind of
them.
things you help her with?
Stop.
Pinky, want me, Pinky?
Let-
Pinky, want me?
Let me go.
Want me? Eh? You say
Let
want
me
me?
go.
I fight you want fight me? Eh? Fight you want fight me? Eh? Come on, come on. Relax yourself. Eh? We are pack. Eh?
Let me go.
You know what I want? Relax yourself. You come fight me, I go on like say. You think I'm stronger than you?
Let me go now.
Yo, me have been too
Tear out
calm.
your locks so
Mind
tight
me
in
too
the man.
bust for your side.
Let me go.
Relax yourself.
Let me go.
Relax yourself, man.
Don't do that.
Come check here, come go on like you nonsense.
Girl, come for your suitcase.
You still at that like. If me check your suitcase right now, everything in your fear.
Check it. I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of you. You just make sure I'm going here, man. I'm afraid of you and that. Eh? You and that go dead.
Talk to you. Come on, I can hear you. Eh? Pop off your neck. Eh? You know, like me, hey, how long you want to do this? Eh? Come on, get so strong, eh? Get strong. Eh? Get strong. Get strong. Eh? Get strong.
Let me go.
You come talk to you.
Let
And you come go on like say. You don't understand, say, yo, me a chip, you know.
Let me go, because you think of sex. Let me go.
Me think of sex. A sex up in your mind, everything you touch me.
Let me go.
Everything you touch me, I talk about sex.
Let me go.
I mean, here it's not spread around the community. I mean, we don't really go for true. But I got ask about it. I just say, oh, daddy.
So you know, here I would do it.
They must say my father do it, but he just linked me a while ago and he just hold like I him do it. You know, if he did do something, he would have behaved so. It's so like he have sense, so you know my dad no sense.
Boy, can I choose? Best thing you do, stay out tight with you, you know, because
I see him thinking about telling me.
the things are going right now and you know certain things feedback on you certain way you see me, isn't it? But in real life. Makes sense, I stay out tight with you.
Me still not feel like I'm father do it. But everybody feel like I him. Or actually act like he not sense.
But you know, I know say,
Oh yeah, look so.
I don't have to look if Mrs. Spook, but you know, man, I can't trust you, know, because what? Your father killed my uncle, you know, and you tell me out of your own mouth, say, look, madness in your blood, you know, and me know want you come set me up, you know, in a
Set you
life.
up how?
You mean? You call me, too, you call me sweet, like, say, oh, you know, and me I say, no, sir. One day, you know, say, a second thoughts, me have one come here, so, where you there? Because, two of me see it, me should even reach us right now, you know. In a real life, no, cause right now, we don't even feel 100 right now,
Yeah,
because,
yourself.
that's it, innit?
And all of what me just say is like it I go through this is and I come back out to the next one. Like you're not hear what me I say. You're not hear what me I say.
What you say?
And you know me not repeat myself. Can I repeat myself 2 times? You know what? This not going nowhere. This is not going anywhere. After all of you just said, you think it is appropriate to ask if me good? Wow. That is so nice. You can't go back in your yard. The girl let me hear so you have.
Girl,
You have no
yes,
other woman.
yeah.
You have no other woman with me.
You see me with another woman with you?
Me not have to see other woman with you. If you have other woman with me. That don't make no sense.
Let me ask you one question. Where all of this a come
What
from?
do you mean? It's a question and it needs a civilized answer. Is a yes or no? Me no want to hear no maybe.
I mean, I ask you. If
Question can answer question, sir. Answer me now.
I will tell you this. Yeah.
You don't need to know that it's like you're not here so nothing to hide.
Then since nothing I hide, don't talk to me, tell me I will tell you
Me
this
not
something.
tell
Yeah.
you who tell me that. Just answer the question that you need to do. It's a yes or no. You have other woman.
You know what I say? Tell you the truth though, I'm an auntie somebody same way do a day. And feel like say I'm a woman, but I normal pray. That's why I know who tell you then something.
Who in them marriage sense I go see you with your auntie and feel like a
Yeah,
woman.
because
Your
I'm-
auntie not much older than you. That makes sense. And me I take for that.
No, I'm not taking for idiot. But watch out, I'm an auntie. So wait, that show me older. Show me look older than her.
wow.
She look. Wait, me ask her. You see her for yourself. You know if she old or young.
Don't worry yourself. What you think me no know me know?
Nah,
What
man,
you think me no know?
nah, man. I'm
Me
an auntie
know.
still.
Anything you say now?
I'm an auntie.
Anything you say. Just know so when me start have other man, you can't say nothing, you know. You can't say nothing, you know. And you can't go address me about it, you know. The worst thing that you're ever
Tell
do.
you the truth, though. You just a chat.
Oh,
Nah,
wow.
meds say a chat, say you know.
You think me not meant to
Yeah, man. If meds say a chat, say man.
You see how me look? Me look like me a cat.
Watch out, you will link up. Watch out, look at me.
Me don't say send you your yard already, so I don't know where still there, so I do. Me idiot, you take me far. Me act like one.
If they can't get full control, they say I won't make it if I don't plan to to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you.
Well, then me there, no dog. Some man do show upon you to me killer. I must say, show me 100, you know. Yeah. My condolences, see me and me killer. But I don't know, say. I say, show me a ball game, you know. I feel like say I beg for Rasta, you know, but me say Rasta man not involved in nothing going on.
Boy, I'm too care, you know, my dog. Between me and him, I'm too care, you know. Right now, I see him call you provide phone and I say me just come step. So you're right.
Watch out, man, you know, so that I least, but watch out. Yeah, my brother, so we have to check and make sure say everything right before you make a step,
my
alright?
brother, man, I'm good, man. I'm good. Believe me, I tell you something, I'm good, my brother, I'm good.
Oh, this up on the way. No chatty, man. We'll
So
fix
you
up
say?
everything. Everything active, man. No chatty, man.
Believe me now.
You even the 2-4 murder. Watch out, man. You know, we got to work. Let's check it out. Watch a car boy, you know, if I police boy, then. Oh gosh, man, I'm gonna short start.
Channel. Now, H still on my brother. Yeah, what you mean?
Just you guys to do and keep your eye open, yeah?
Alright.
Oh, them my fam. Come on, fam.
Rasta.
What going, man?
Yeah, man, me say, the circle no woman yard, you know.
Yeah, cause you see me as a friend.
Yeah, say, more year where your sister, you know, cause that me really do come here so for you, where you depend.
I want to misunderstand that, bro. See? I work on the street, it's like, say, them say, I mean, do some damage, bro. Impossible for me to do, bro. For you know if I look at you.
Oh, me ask you one question. Remember you me say, no?
Yeah.
You tell me say you come from?
Up a bush. Up a
Who
farm.
you tell me say you go look for?
Me and your uncle,
And
a
you tell
road.
me say you see him, no?
Yeah.
So make look after this, that he did.
Me don't know
Man
about
shot
that.
him, kill
Yeah,
him.
but me don't know about that. Me I try to choose it right now, my heart. Full, brother. Me I tell you, God every truth. Yeah, so me I say, see, we have people in the place, I talk around the place and them something there, so. Me is that a man to tell you, say, yo.
What make you kill me?
Brother, this a boy, no do that, brother. This a boy, no do that. That me I tell you, brawling. Man, I want me, yo, man. Yo, every achievement, every riches. What me achieve, brother, me uncle did. You see me a wipe us smell like that. That makes sense to you, bro. Eh? If you do your part certain way, straight through, and you hear certain things. And because every day me my pass, they go pin me to it. And they know some brain sick and me know me up and down sometime. Them know that, brother. So guess what? I'm gonna pin anything for me. And that me I show you. So right now the place a circle that say boy, madman killing friend and all them sitting there on TikTok. And I'm sitting there.
You kill me, uncle.
Yeah, you hear me say? Come here, can I understand me as a general? Reason with me, man.
One question me ask you.
Yeah, but me not do that. But you can't ask me a question, I can't answer. Brother, me not do that. We will never do that, bro. Big man thing, brawling. Reason me even come check your woman, I come on and find him. Come here, say, boy, who you hold long with the whole situation? If you know, say, man, drop out. And who you the man and kill the man? Headshot in the brother. What if you know me, I say?
Go up the road and get something for yourself.
You give me. What that?
Gentlemen, so when you reach all paradise, you see my uncle for me, you see me?
You say you are the Dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one, cause she make you come quicker, quicker.
we have to do that, sir.
But what you know,
We have to do that, sir.
I do me a look for like military they call your phone and I text you, boy, I'm not guess you what happened. Where you run go? What happened? What you yes, sir.
Right now, serious time right now.
What happened?
Right now, I feel like better, I swear.
What you mean you feel? What happened? What happened, Bulby? Bulby, what happened?
Just have to kill the Rasta boy.
What you just say? Bulby,
Nobody, I'm here.
what
I'm
you do
here.
that for?
What me do what for?
Bulby,
Me feel better, me feel pleased. What you tell me say?
feel better?
Yeah, one day if you didn't know, say I'm favorite uncle that.
Me know say your favorite uncle,
One
but
day
I
they
did friend that.
You tell me
So why
about
man
friend.
that killing your friend?
You tell me about friend.
You have a
Yeah,
you
kill
not
the
even
whole of them.
know us. You don't know
All
if I
of them.
man
Where
Bulby with
you
a
tell me
friend.
about me no know him. Me no care who. Me no care who. You see anything my mind tell me, I hit me a work with.
You know,
You see
not
me,
see
you
from
see
the
how you
accident.
do it, I hit me a work with. Anything my mind tell me, I could have Dick Tom or Harry, my mind tell me, I hit me a work with. I
Bulby,
hear?
no say you not sleep on me yet tonight
You tell
because
me
no
about
police now come. All and pull me fear Bulby. What you mean you go kill the man? Bulby, me not want you already, Bulby, me not
Boy,
want
you
to let
want
the
me.
situation
I tell you, boy,
alone.
you want me.
Hey, Bulby,
Right now, me feel better, actually.
Bulby, why? Why, Bulby, why? Why you think?
Why me do it?
Me know say your face
Why
like
me
him,
do
but
it?
me not think of him.
You don't think of him,
Me
but...
no feel say me even go to Pinky and Pinky even tell me say you not think of
So,
him
wait,
neither
let me
because
ask you
one
one
of my
question.
close
So, me
friends.
ask you one question. I rather believe people than believe me.
Me nah say that.
What kind of man?
But the two of them they close, Bulby.
Normal pre man, me realize your side start picking up.
Me
The
nah pick
normal
no
pre,
side.
what you know
Listen
me?
to me not talk to me no Bulby.
Oi,
Relax.
right now me no
Calm
dep.
down.
You see chatting right now, me no dep on it.
You mean the
Me no dep on it
You're
chatting right
supposed to
now.
dep on the chatting. You're supposed to, you want to come do the same thing to me? No, you want to do the same thing to me?
Alright.
At that
She
moment,
no know she
you
had
want to
the
do the
but-
same thing to
No,
me?
me never say me I go hurt
So
you.
when you
Me say me
come
I go
laugh
hurt you.
and go like say you want to lick me?
Never say me.
Eh? And I thought when you know what you know chatting.
Me a deal
You
with
see when you
something.
know the wrongs
Yeah, I deal
and
with-
people talk to you feel like say nobody enough to talk to you. Bulby, you try to stay up on the low for now. I don't make it till then clear.
No, man,
I'm trying to
pre,
make
man.
clear that it's not what me do for deserve this, God?
To subscribe You subscribe yet?
Yeah. You say you are the dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, quicker, yeah. But what you know, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun. You call yourself a boss cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach you, will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you pull it run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can be life. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, yeah. No, yeah. No. chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not, no, 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 no.